The woodpeckers peck away at tree trunks to build their nests and find food. Some species can do this 15 to 20 times a second. The interval between two pecks is much less than a second. Every time the bird's beak strikes the tree, shock waves are set up inside its head. But its cherry-sized brain is unaffected by these. The woodpecker's secret lies in its neck muscles. When it begins pecking, its beak and neck are exactly aligned. The slightest deviation from this could lead to tearing inside the brain. There is no difference between this high-speed pecking and hitting the head against concrete. The fact that the bird's brain comes to no harm is made possible by means of an extraordinary structure. Most birds' skull bones are fused together. The movement of its jaw opens the beak. In the woodpecker, however, a rubbery substance that absorbs the shock waves arising during pecking separates the beak and the skull. This flexible substance is far superior to the shock absorbers in cars. This superiority stems from the fact that it can absorb shock waves arising at very short intervals. This material is able to absorb the shock caused by one strike and quickly prepares itself to meet the next. In addition, it manages this in the face of a strike rate greater than 10 in a second. This substance is far superior to any equivalent developed by present-day technology. The fact that the woodpecker's skull and top beak are joined in such an extraordinary way permits the area containing the brain to be separated from the beak at every strike, and thus gives rise to a second shock-absorbing mechanism.